Hey Mike, it's Jack. I just wanted to let you know the Mac can run Windows just like Windows. You're looking at my Mac right now. This is my desktop. If I needed to edit my email, I could open a Safari browser like this. This Safari browser has my personal email in it. Then I use Google Chrome for business. Here's my Google Chrome email. But this is all Mac based, and you mentioned that you're kind of stuck in a Windows world. And I hear you. But the cool thing about Windows is Mac is I can run the Windows just like I can run Windows on a Windows machine. I can run it on a Mac. And so this is my Windows environment. I'm running a VM, but you could run it using Mac's Boot Camp. And the cool thing about this, there's a couple cool things that's really neat. I can run it in full window mode like this so that I'm running Windows just like any other Windows. This is Google Chrome. I'm running it on Windows XP or any newer version of Windows that you want. I can run it full screen, and this is the same browser that you're used to on a Windows machine. But another cool thing about it is I can swipe between, see the Mac on the left and PC on the right, I can swipe between the two environments. So if I want to be on the Mac, I can do most of my work on the Mac. But when I need to VPN into ESPN or Yellow Pages and pretend like I'm on a PC, I just switch over to my PC machine. And this is the same way you could access the VPN for your insurance needs. I do the exact same thing with all of my clients. So if you're interested in switching to Mac, you can do it. It works really well. And another really cool thing about the Mac is it allows me to take the Windows environment and view it in the Mac environment. Let me see if I can switch this for you. If I switch to Unity mode, my uh, windows are visible on my Mac right along with my regular Windows, my Mac applications like Google and here's Safari. So these are all different windows open on the same platform. This one's a Windows browser, this one's a Mac Safari, and this one's Mac Google Chrome, all on my Mac on the same desktop. Another cool thing is you can have multiple desktops. Now, right now, I only have one desktop. You can see the desktop at the top, but I can create multiple desktops like this one that I just created. Click on it, and now I'm on a different desktop. I can swipe on my trackpad to switch to my old desktop. I can drag anything off of this desktop and stick it on the other desktop. Really, really cool. So now I've got this desktop and that desktop. I can see both desktops like this, and I can switch between them. And I'm doing all this with my trackpad. Super simple, very smooth. Just grab this, stick it back on the other desktop, and I can delete this desktop if I don't need it. So anyway, I just thought it'd be cool to show you that you can run Windows on a Mac as well, if not even better, than you can run it on a Windows machine. Later.